Good evening, may gabi. Today is Thursday, February 6, of course. So, nahuman ako ang last chapter sa chapter 4. Nahuman ako gabi. So, chapter 5 na takarong gabi. Sa Mateo Ragyapon. Mateo chapter 5 na ta. Chapter 5. Matthew chapter 5 1 to 5. Okay. Word says, seeing the crowds, he went up on the mountain, and when he sat down, his disciples came to him. And he opened his mouth and taught them, saying, Blessed are the poor in spirit, for there is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. So, padayon na talaga. May gabi.